Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blades on a GM product on a newer style vehicle. So pretty much all your new GM products have the same style wiper blade. Even your Fords and other lines of vehicle have the same style wiper blades. It's just a very simple wiper blade to change actually. First thing you want to do is you want to just go ahead and lift the arm. Take yourself a flat tip screwdriver. Right here there's a little clip. You want to lift that clip up, just like that. Slide your wiper down and pop it out. It's very simple to change this wiper blade. Take your new wiper blade, stick it on, slide it down, pop it in, lock it down, put it back on your windshield. You're ready to go. And you're done. One thing GM did was make a wiper blade that was fairly easy to change. I know those go back to around 2013, so pretty much anything 2013 and up should have that style wiper blade on it. But look at it before you get it. When you go to the parts store, they may have some adapters, but it's still a very easy thing to do. A lot of your parts stores will change them for you if you just go up there and you purchase the wiper blade. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Now, I'm not the kind of guy that's going to ask you to like my video or subscribe to my channel. I'm the kind of guy that's going to beg you to do it. Click one of these other videos. Subscribe to my channel. It's on one of these sides. Do them both. Do them all. Please.